Question number second. Describe the concept of hypothesis space in machine learning. Explain the algorithm. Find S. Find a hypothesis by find S for the following instance in training set. So we have an table: origin, manufacturer, color, decade, and type and classes. So first let's talk about hypothesis space. What exactly it is? In simple words, the hypothesis space is the set of all possible functions or models that a learning algorithm can choose from to solve a problem. For example, if we are using linear models, the hypothesis space includes all linear equations that can fit the data. Or if we are using decision trees, the hypothesis space includes all possible tree structure created by splitting the data in different ways. So we have a linear class and uh, sorry. Let's see hypothesis space. It has linear model. The hypothesis space consists of linear equation that can be fitted to the data. The space includes all the possible tree structure. Cut. Start. Now let's move to one of the earliest and simplest ML algorithms, the find S algorithm. The S stands for specific because the algorithm tries to find the most specific hypothesis that fits all positive examples. Find S, find specific hypothesis. Uh, the algorithm starts with most specific hypothesis, which is represented using phi. This means no value is accepted initially. Then step by step, it generalizes the hypothesis only when it encounters a positive example. So here are the key things you need to know. Purpose identifies the most specific hypothesis consistent with positive examples. Approach start with most specific hypothesis to gradually generalization, and representation of a hypothesis is given by phi, no value acceptable, which means it is very specific. A specific value like cold is equals to only cold is acceptable, and question mark is any value acceptable that which is very general. And yeah, that's it. The most specific hypothesis is given by 5 comma 5 comma 5 comma 5 and the most general hypothesis is given by question mark comma question mark comma question marks. The limitation the limitation is it ignores negative examples and assume data is noise free. ठीक है. Working on the finders algorithm is as follows. So step 1, start with the most specific hypothesis 5 comma 5 comma 5. Step 2, ignore negative examples completely and commonly. For each positive example, update the hypothesis. If the hypothesis has phi, replace it with that example value, and if there is a mismatch, replace that attribute with question mark. And if it matches, keep it unchanged. Step 4, repeat all the training examples, and step 5 is the final hypothesis is the most specific generalization that covers all positive examples. So now let's keeping all the steps in mind, let's solve this question given in the question number 2. So here we have origin table where Japan, USA, Japan, and the manufacturer table Honda, Toyota, Chrysler, and Honda. So let's make H0, which is 5 comma 5 comma 5 comma 5. So let's see H1 here. It is Japan, Honda, blue, 1980 economy. So we are not taking positive. We are ignoring. We are taking the positive one, which is H1, and then H2 is negative ignored. So H3 will be Japan question mark blue question mark economy. So here we have taken more general hypothesis of step number 2. and then we are ignoring negative. So Japan question mark economy. The final hypothesis Japan comma question mark comma economy. So this is the final hypothesis. Thank you so much, guys. We have we have found the S algorithm. It is simple, clean, and perfect for understanding the basic concept learning. So for the next question, the third question, please be on my channel. Thank you so much.